I go down to Thurmond, say hi midnight. I have the most amazing luck. I go down to Thurmond to film a train, and I cannot believe that the Ceci system and the Chesapeake, Ohio was leading the train going through Thurmond. That was amazing to see the Ceci system and the Chesapeake, Ohio engines on the same train. Enjoy the video. Sorry, I could not resist. I had to have a little fun. But I really did catch Union Pacific Power here in Thurmond, so here's the real train I caught. Union Pacific coming through Thurmond. You don't get that very much. They slowed down a lot as they're coming through Thurmond.